everybody, welcome back to my channel. As I'm doing through all this month of June, I want to start my video letting you know that from the 1st of July on, my channel is going to change the name and the image, and this is going to be what you're going to see from then on. I had to thank my daughter for doing this design and changing everything on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, etc. So from the 1st of July on, you're going to see my channel as DIYs and Crafts with Anna. Okay, let's get into this video. This video is for a challenge that is hosted by Regal Designs by Shushana, and her co-host is Tamara from Love My Babies Forever. I'm going to leave the link to their channels and the playlist with all the videos that are included in this challenge, and please pay a visit. The hostesses are really talented, really creative, and have a lot of different things to offer, so you will find for sure something you will find inspiring and that you will love to recreate. The challenge, the theme of this challenge is Christmas. You know, Christmas in July. So, as I hope you already know, my daughter and I are dumpster divers, and our channel is going to be linked in the description box. Also is Dumpster Chicks. So we find a lot of things in the dumpsters. In one of our trips to Ulta, we found a lot of cans. I made another one last month in the video, or this month, I don't remember, for graduation, and it was a yellow tin can. We found some of them that still had the products inside, but we found a lot of them that are empty, like this one. Let me show you. Okay. Here we go. So I thought that they were great to do something for Christmas, as I did with the yellow ones for graduation. You have just to remove this insert. I'm not going to do this right now because they are glued with some double-sided tape. And then I'm going to use them for cookies for Christmas. This side, I thought, well, what I'm going to do with this side, because I'm not going to give this as a present with this inscription or writing in the back. Well, let me tell you, if you haven't seen my other video with the yellow ones, just in case, this is a sticker that is easily removed, like so, and you get a clean back side. So I'm going to do the same I did for the graduation can, but in this case for Christmas. First, I took a piece of baking paper. I placed it on top of the lid, and I went all around drawing the border of the part I want to cover, because I'm going to cover this. Then, using this chalkboard contact paper, blackboard sticker from Amazon. This was a gift from my son-in-law that I asked for because I use a lot of this contact paper. I love it. I cut the piece to cover the front. So, once I covered it, and this is a tip, only after you cover you adhere the sticker to the top. Let me see if I can do that. No, I'm not going to do that now. You know how to do it. Only then you go all around with a white marker to make the border, because usually there are some spots, I hope you see them here, that are not covered. Even though you take care and you trace it and you cut it, and with all the care in the world, it's not going to fit perfectly. So if you go around with a white marker before adhering the paper, then there is no solution. You're going to have this red color showing up. So here is what I did. Let me show you. This is a white marker I used. It's my favorite one, the Bistro Chalk marker. I had it in fine point and broad point. This is a fine one. So as you can see, I went around the border after adhering the contact paper, and I could cover all the red spots that were showing through the border. I made these stars by hand. They are really easy to make, but just in case, I showed you last time, but let me show you right now. It's like drawing an A. I'm going to do a larger one. And you go up, then you go that way, and then you finish it this way. Of course, if it's a large one, you have to fill it in, etc. But when you draw a smaller one, you don't need to fill it in. It's just like this, and it's finished. So then I printed the Merry Christmas words on a vellum paper, and I used my white transfer paper here. And believe me, using a white transfer paper is the best thing you can do when you are doing something on chalkboard, because you get the words, sentiments, whatever you want to transfer already in white. So let me show you. You see, you get it in white. So if you're going to fill it, of course, in white, you have half of the job done, and it's really easy to see what you want to write or paint. So after I transfer the words Merry Christmas, I again use my marker and I went all over the transfer, and I have my can ready to be filled in with cookies. Of course, I'm going to place some tissue paper here, and then the cookies. This is a very, very easy DIY, and I love it because I can give them as presents for, you know, the postman, post lady, some neighbors, etc. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much to both hostesses for hosting this challenge. Please visit their channels and please watch the videos that are participating in this challenge. Hope to see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.